I've been a Part 107 certified drone pilot for the past 6 months. In this video, I'm going to go over what I bring with me on my drone shoots to help them run smooth and successfully. I use an Apache 2800 case. This case is shockproof and waterproof, so I don't have to worry about anything breaking while I'm traveling with my drone. This case was also super simple to get set up and get all my drone gear in. Not only is it big enough to hold all of the gear that I have, but I was also able to make my own cutouts for the gear so then everything fit perfect and snug. The drone I use is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I've taken this on every single drone shoot that I've had. It has all the capabilities that you could want out of a drone that you use for professional use. It captures stunning 4K quality photos and videos. This has sensors all around to help with multiple things such as obstacle avoidance, and it has active track. With this drone, I use just the standard remote. I am looking to upgrade my controller, but this has been doing just fine for the time being. I can very easily connect my phone up to it and fly all throughout the day. I never have to worry about the charge on this thing, as it's always charged, and it can charge my phone at the same time. The first big purchase that I chose to make was making sure to get extra batteries, along with this 3-pack battery charger. This helps me charge up all my batteries before my shoot, so I'm ready to go right when I get there. In addition to these 3, I also have 2 extra batteries sitting in this case. This means I have over 2.5 hours of flight time that I can take with me on any shoot. I've found that this is more than enough to be able to capture any events that I typically fly. This is extremely beneficial when I'm on long shoots and I might not have a chance to recharge my batteries. Before, I only had 3 batteries. This meant that I only had an hour and a half of fly time. Early on, there were some shoots where I actually had to bring my drone down early, so I want to make sure that never happens again, which is why I got 2 extra batteries. Moving on, another one of the most important pieces of gear in my drone bag are my ND filters. I got a standard pack of Freewell ND filters. These help me capture quality video in harsh lights that I might not be able to catch otherwise. Using ND filters helps limit the light allowed into a sensor. This helps lower your shutter speed so you can get realistic motion blur on all of your video footage. Otherwise, your videos will look very sharp and a little unnatural. Since I do a lot of videography work, these are essential for me capturing my events. The next piece of gear is crucial for any drone pilot who wants to fly at night. It's to make sure that you have anti-collision lights. To legally fly 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise, you have to make sure to have anti-collision lights placed on your drone. Half of the events I've been able to capture were past sunset, which is why it's so important to have anti-collision lights. These lights came with Velcro so that you can easily attach it and detach it from your drone. I've never had any issues with these sticking on, as they're very, very good. In addition to all my equipment, I also have all the tools and extra pieces needed in case I have to fix my drone on the fly. Things like extra propellers, making sure I have all the chargers that I could need, making sure I have a screwdriver to use on my drone. All of this is crucial to make sure that you're bringing them on your flights. You never know what can happen at a drone shoot. I have actually had to use extra propellers while at a drone shoot because I crashed my drone. So you really want to make sure that you have all the gear needed so you don't have to worry. Like I said, all of this fits in my Apache case, and all this fits nice and snug inside my backpack. My backpack is also where I carry all my extra gear. One thing that I make sure I take with me at all my flights is this yellow vest. This is a standard yellow vest that I've been able to take with me on all my drone shoots. This has helped me really stand out from the crowd and make sure really that people aren't bugging me while I'm trying to fly my drone. I found this to be super beneficial while trying to fly well at events that help keep people off my back while I'm flying. That's weird. How'd that get in here? Oh. Make sure to like and subscribe. In addition to all of that, I love carrying an extra portable charger with me. This is a really nice portable charger that I got. It has built-in cables for both my phone and for the controllers, batteries, and everything else that I need. So it has all the capabilities I need to be able to charge on the fly. This paired up with my 3 battery charger has been an amazing help, making sure that I'm able to capture everything that I need on a drone shoot. Remember, links to everything will be down in the description below. Thank you guys for your support. If you enjoyed this video, you might like to check out my last video where I go over 5 things that I wish I knew before I got started on this drone journey.